again. It's a redskin.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't been filming because I ran out of memory card, so I'm in the process of transferring it all to my hard drive so I can clear up the memory card, and I don't want to buy another memory card just because I already have 3 memory cards full of content, and if I get another one I'm just gonna be overwhelmed, I guess. So right now I'm trying to use it all up, trying to edit these videos pretty quickly, but right now I'm transferring it to my computer or hard drive on my computer or whatever, and then so I'm using my phone right now. Anyway, so a few things. I have my bumper off. I ended up re-gluing the fog lights after they broke about what 2 months ago. That's right, after like a week of me putting it on. So those are back in. I might try to find some black sealant to go around it. That way I can hold it a little bit more sturdier. All I did was put a lot more glue. That way it holds it real good. It's not gonna come off or anything. And then, yeah, so right now I'll just take all the tape off I got on it. Over here. Pretty damn good. I just want to get some sealant that would hold it pretty nicely, but it ain't gonna come off this time. Yep, this is the Gerzy bumper with the fog lights on. Looks so good. Let's see, fog trim. So hard to show you guys when the lights are on because it's so super bright, but yeah, we're gonna actually go to Tim's now, or not Tim's. We're going to the junkyard to help Tim out. This is not gonna be a junkyard video, this is gonna be one of the vlogs. But yeah, we're gonna go to Tim's and help him because his car broke. As you've seen in the last clip, his studs broke. So we're gonna try to get him a whole new knuckle. That way it's just easy, slap it in, and he's ready to go. And maybe put his fender on, not today, but sometime in this video. We got Tim over here.
What's up, guys?
We're
finding some parts for my TL right now. We're looking for a knuckle.
Yep.
Yeah.
Be better once you get over here, yep.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're looking for TL. We just got here and they literally just brought a TL. We're just waiting for him to load it up and we could go work on it. He'll probably be in the video with Tim still, but we went ahead and got the fog light back on. You can see. And then we got it over here as well. But yeah, we got it back on. Go ahead and probably just fast forward it when we go ahead and knock out Tim's knuckle again.
We're putting on my knuckle that Nippy Custom had really put on for me.
I think we don't need the jack right now, but yeah, when we put the wheel on. We're gonna take his fender off because it looks like a spaceship. Look how clean his headlights look though. So I think it extends like freaking like a foot out now. Look at that. Everyone in the comment section is gonna be like, what the fuck? You gotta watch the video today. It's funny.
Today?
Yeah.
Hey, hopefully I'm not leaking from anywhere though.
We did the stud delete.
Yeah. Hey, those puddles.
That's probably been there from like whatever else is leaking from the caca in there.
No.
Alright. Well, I'll probably do this. You got Tim back on the road. Car looks pretty cool. See if you can take the wood off if you're high enough to get that wood off. Because I forgot about that.
No.
Alright, check it up. Oh, maybe. No? Bring it out this way, yeah. There you go. No, Tim, I don't want ice cream. Stop asking. I'm just kidding. No, alright, I want to see you air out. I was curious how it's gonna look. You didn't rock the no fender live because I don't know. Nobody wanted to bring it to you or what?
Two said 9 o'clock. Yes, he won't be home till 9 o'clock last night.
Okay.
So I said we're gonna go pick it up.
Are you retarded? This is strange.
Whoa.
You have another half inch to go. Yeah. Alright, let's try to get your bumper on. Mythic Custom here with another Mythic Custom information on screen. Alright, anyway, so yeah, Tim over here asked me to get a new connector because he said his is messed up. So let's take a closer look at it. You're not even looking at it. See that? So I come over here and look at it and I'm like, come on Tim, look at this. Oh my god, and it's fixed. What do you think now, Tim?
Hi, I didn't know.
Alright, well, now you're good. Tim over here, we're gonna probably put a zip tie and try to hold his fender up right here. That way, it don't look too bad, but yeah, pretty much got everything in. Zip ties, and you got another piece or no? Not. I'm just talking loudly. That's pretty cool.
Hold on, get my phone quick. Let me air it out.
When do you see the zip ties? Oh, you have it? Zip ties. So his bumper is basically on like what it was supposed to. I'm gonna close this, pop that open. See how it looks. That's crazy.
Oh yeah.
Dude, that's weight reduction to the max.
Here, come here down.
Oh, you don't have that?
No, I want to record it at the house.
Oh, I see. Here, you record too then. That's pretty cool.
Huh.
The other one off the map. Right, ready?
Alrighty.
Finally back to CL. I didn't put that up Looking good.
Something like that, you know.
That's what you call fitment right there. Look at that.